Hey, friends. If you have ever said to yourself that this is the year I am going to get organized digitally for once and for good, and then you lose a little steam by February, you are not alone. The problem is we often try to tackle everything all at once and it gets overwhelming and then we just don't do anything at all. But the solution is to just do one thing at a time. And in 2026, I'm excited to tell you that each month I'm going to be focused on doing videos around one specific area of your digital life. All it's going to take from you is to commit maybe 1, maybe 2 hours each month. And by the end of the year, you could be fully digitally organized. Some of the areas that I'm going to focus on are email, task management, calendaring, passwords. The list goes on and on. There's so many areas in our digital life to focus on. So I am very excited to help all of you with getting your digital life organized for once and for good. So if this feels like the type of structured reset that you need in 2026, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that the algorithm pushes my content to the top of your feed, which is wonderful for both of us, right? And let's make 2026 the year that you get fully digitally organized. It's going to be fun. All right, as always, happy organizing, my friend, and I will see you in the next video.